Hi, my name is Kenneth of TopRankHomeBuyers.com. Listen, I would like to make you a cash offer on your home if you meet any of these conditions. Maybe you're going through a stressful situation, a divorce, a foreclosure, you've inherited a house that you really don't want to deal with. There may be a number of reasons that you're having trouble, but you need help out of that situation. Well, I've got good news for you. Just simply go to our website, www.toprankhodebuyers.com. There, just scroll around, take a look at it, and see what we're all about, and then fill out the form and wait for our call, and we'll get back in touch with you in 24 hours or less. We can close many times in 7 days if the title is clear, and we'll close on your timeline if that's too early, and we'll help you get out of your financial situation. I look forward to seeing your form and giving you a call and getting together so we can help you out of this situation.